Why and how it works. I believe there is a logic or say scientific explanation for everything. So here it goes. Our face muscles are very active. We know this, right? Just think about how many times a day we smile, we frown, we get surprised, right? We love getting surprised. So the emotions we feel are easily shown in our faces. Regular massage practice will strengthen the muscles and rejuvenate skin cells. It again will help to promote lymph drainage and prevent the tension. Please find some time for a facial massage in your day. Now let's take a look at the two pictures here. In the first picture on the left, we see face lymph nodes and blood vessels. Can you just imagine how abundant this picture is? And on the second picture on the right, we see the face muscle anatomy. So now let's imagine that with our two hands or mechanical massaging devices, we're working in these areas. Face massage has everything to do with these pictures. So here is why. There are a lot of lymph nodes and blood vessels. All this improves lymphatic health, boosts blood circulation, and of course tones the facial muscles. And I suggest you read the PDF files attached to the course for all the benefits out there. Now let's talk about side effects and contraindications. So the facial massage, there are basically no side effects to facial massage, but you always need to follow the protocol for before and during the massage and even after the massage, all provided in the course. And always pay attention to the way your skin feels during the massage and after the massage, and use only good quality products on your skin. I will also give some of the benefits that will help you to understand what a good massage cream or serum should look like. Now there are some real contraindications that you need to consider, and you cannot perform a massage if you have acne in acute form. So acute acne, you cannot perform the massage, obviously. So you have a lot of inflammation on your face. So if it's just one pimple, you can easily work around that. It's not a problem. But if you have really the acne right now, you need to wait and until the condition calms down and achieves a remission. If you're wearing contact lenses, please remove them before the procedure. Do not perform the massage if you have open sores, cuts, if you have eczema or psoriasis. Do not perform the massage if you have one of the following: cancer, heart problems, heart disease, thyroid disease, high blood pressure, herpes, or skin allergy. If you have any other health conditions that are not listed here and